Hello, I am Glam Dastagi Sheikh, an AI and data science engineer. This is my project AI Charya, an adaptive micro-learning platform. So traditional education uses one page fits all logic, but the students who learn slowly or are neurodiverse problems such as those with ADHD or dyslexia often fall behind. While the teachers don't have the time to personalize learning for every child. So we have created something over here, boost motivation with game mechanics like adaptive micro sessions, small one, instant feedback, live leaderboards, progress tracking for helpful for the students and the parents, AI powered adaptation, and the interactive activities. We also have the option of features. Let's see the features we are providing: adaptive learning, gamifications, interactive activities, analytics dashboard. Very useful for the parents to understand the child brain. Then the teachers also switch on the sound for immersive experience. We also have the flip cards, time challenges, achievement patches, leaderboard, interactive stories, and hidden content for a multiple way, multi-model type of learning. We also have the templates over here, then the pricing over here, then we have the comparative all features, then the FAQs. Let's come to the main part. Let me copy it fast. So this AI Charya usually takes a test, a pre-test, which you will see now. There are various courses over here. Let's if the child is on biology, cell structure, it will ask a few questions called as a pre-test. Then the learner answer, and as the learner answer, the system learns the accuracy, response time, hint usage. So see, this is the questions. If you are using the hint, this is the option. The image should come over here. Might be some issue with the network. If the learner struggles, it provides a simple explanation and work example. This is just the MVP now. And if this mastery improves, it increases the difficulty of questions. If the fatigue is detected, like students is getting down, so it suggests a short break or motivation to use the simple Pomodoro technique, which is usually used. So this creates a personalized learning loop instead of a static content, which is very common nowadays. So the session completed, you can download the report from here. So this is what we have created. The core innovation is how Gemini is used instead of acting like a chatbot. We have guided by a system prompt that embeds the learning science rules like mastery tracking, fatigue detection. The AI decides what to teach next, not just what to say. We have the flashcards, we have the chatbot, we have the documents. Based on the student's requirement, the understanding they have, it suggests you based on it and make you to learn. Then AI Charya. AI Charya simply demonstrate how generative AI can support inclusive, child-centric education at scale, especially the places where the special education is not possible, or the special place where special educators and the personal tutoring are not accessible. For them, we have created a social cause project. Thank you.